Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to load the Orion Iguana Hunter magazines. They all work the same way pretty much. So you have the magnetic lid, and then you have the internal wheel that is spring loaded, and then the main body obviously. So we're going to use 22 calibers today. So we've got the Umarex Notos, the Rapid Airworks, and then the FX Impact in 22. So again, I'll show you how each of these works. Like I said, you've got a lid with each one. The lid comes off and it only goes on one way. So you take those off, and we'll start with the Notos. So first you spring load it all the way, and you'll notice it doesn't like to go the other way. It can't go the other way. It can only rotate one way initially. Now you'll see that first hole. I put my finger there, and I put the pellet in head first, so I can see the back of the pellet or the slug. Then that will hold the spring, and you go ahead and place the rest of your pellets in, just like that. Keep going, blah, blah, blah. Then you put your lid back on, and it will slide into the breech of the gun. Same thing with the raw, just a bigger magazine capacity. Load the spring, first pellet in, head first. Same thing, keep putting them in, blah, blah, blah. Put your magazine lid back on, and the impact, yes, 50 million rounds. Same concept. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And then once you've loaded up all of your pellets, I'm not going to do all 50 million of these, then you put your magazine system back on, clips into place, pellets aren't going to fall out, and that is how you load the Orion magazine systems for any of his rifles, or air guns rather. And that is how you load the Orion Iguana Hunter magazine systems, which is very similar to other magazine systems as well. They all load in a very similar fashion. Whether it's one extra step to take the lid off, if the lid doesn't come off, that's pretty much the basics of how you load an airgun rotary magazine.